guys ready to see my apartment? Come on in.
Got some ashy elbows, but it's
okay. So you guys, welcome to my apartment. Come on in, don't be shy. So first, you know, we've got the mudroom. You know, this is where you mud in our room. Okay, you know, the lights go off and they go on. I don't know who thought of that, but that was great. Now, if you'd like to wash your clothes, I can help you with that because in my new apartment, I've got appliances, okay? I've got the washer, I've got the dryer. All right, you know what I'm saying? We're just gonna close this here. Now, if you come with me over here for my guests, we have a bathroom for you. We have a bathroom, and it's not a half, it's a full. So the lights also do that thing where they go on. They go off too. Here we have the sink. Paid my water bill already, so the water is working. Okay. You know, we have the toilet. We have the shower. So, you know, we'll get the shower curtains up later. But when my guests are tired, I say, have no fear. You don't have to sleep on the couch. You come in here, girl. Here we have our guest room. This will also be my recording area right here. And the guests will sleep over here. Also, we have a nice closet for you if you'd like to walk in. Because feet is a walk-in closet. And you can also walk out of the closet as well. Let me turn on these lights. Who's paying bills in here? I am. Okay. We'll close this door here. That's great. We have a fan for your convenience if you get hot. All right. We're gonna turn off these lights because who's paying bills in here? I am. Okay, we're gonna move over here. I plan on putting my dining room here. This is where we dine in this room here. Yeah, that's pretty much all we have here. And here, the living room where we live in this room. Do you hear the acoustics? This is the living room. I plan on putting the couch here. I have a really large rug outside that'll be here. And the TV will be here. So this is the living room, and then where I will be spending most of my time learning how to spend most of my time here. The kitchen. You know, we got the little hello. When my friends come over and wash the dishes. That's really it. You know, we got the black appliances. Well, the silver, the stainless steel. You know, cooking that Thanksgiving turkey in here, where I will be microwaving my ramen noodles for dinner. Here we go. I do plan on changing these to black because I kind of just want like white and black. Do you think that would be cute? Black?
I don't know, because since the appliances have black as well.
I think that's perfect. I don't know, I'm just really into like the white and black. I don't know, we're gonna see. I'm gonna change it to you and see how.
I don't know. I like the silver because it's barely silver. Like this is the only like a lot of silver.
Right.
But if everything else, I just think the silver looks great to me. So yeah, it's fine.
We're gonna see. You know, this is for the, you know, the snacks and stuff. I literally don't have anything. I just got here. This is for the magic.
Trying to get that lighter.
Yes, this is the magic will be happening. This is the master bedroom. This is my bedroom. This is my apartment. And I just don't really know how I'm going to style up my bedroom yet. I just don't know yet. But this is it. That's that. And if you come along here, we've got another walk-in because this is where I'll be walking in and hiding in case there's any intruders. You let them know I said that. Here, and then we're out here. Okay, so we have a little window so I can see, you know, the birds chirping in the morning and all that fun stuff. And then my master bathroom. Nothing really to see here, nothing special, just, you know, a few drawers and things. Nice size mirror for the mirror selfies that will be taking place in here. Come on, somebody. You know, same shower, same all that stuff. Toothpaste, toothbrush, all that fun stuff. So, you know, this is my apartment. And I thank you for joining me but now it is time for you guys to go. So if you could just come here and get out of my apartment, you know, where I pay bills, you know, where I be living on my own. Okay, and you guys can just, hey, you don't gotta go home, but get on. Be blessed now.